Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute since I've actually done like a product review, an eyeshadow palette review, but I have a fun new collection here that I purchased from Laura Lee's makeup line. Laura Lee Los Angeles, her and her niece ERYN just came out with a new collection called Candy Skies. It is so cute. I had to go ahead and purchase this. I actually bought quite a bit of new palettes lately. I think I have 4 new palettes on the way. So if you guys want to see some more reviews, definitely let me know by liking this video or commenting so I know you guys love to see this content. But let's get into this super fun collection. So this is the eyeshadow palette. There's also 2 lip glosses in the collection, but this is a really pretty pastel eyeshadow palette. I have tried a couple of Laura Lee's palettes. I believe the Nudie Patootie, which is really pretty, really gorgeous colors. I love the formula on that one. So this is my, I would say, second palette from the line. And I just knew I had to have it because I really love pastels. I'm not big on like a ton of color, but when it comes to pastels, that is my thing. So you have the packaging here, which literally looks like a sky in all the pastels, and then the Candy Skies is raised. And then you open it up, and this is the colors you get inside, and also a mirror. I think it's about the same size as the Nudie Patootie original palette, but how pretty are these shades? I was just really drawn to the colors. I thought they picked some really beautiful shades to put in here for the pastels, and also the shimmers are honestly pretty unique. Like there's some kind of fun, almost duochrome like shades in here, which really kind of excited me, and that's why I really was drawn to this and like purchased it immediately. So that is the eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $45 for just the palette, and I actually purchased the bundle because I wanted free shipping. It's free shipping on $50, which also came with the 2 lip glosses in the collection, which is really cute. It has like this pastel lid on it. I haven't tried her glosses until today. I've only tried her liquid lips, which I've actually really enjoyed. I got some in her mystery box that she did this year, and yeah, they were really good. So I was excited about the glosses, which are very neutral colors. The glosses are $16 a piece, or you can buy the entire bundle with the 2 glosses in the eyeshadow palette for $59, which I thought was a pretty good deal, and plus the free shipping. So I want to go ahead and share swatches of the eyeshadow palette with you here. Really beautiful color scheme. You can kind of work in different sections if you want to play with the purples and pinks. The middle has like the orangey tones. You could totally mix that with the pinks, and then you have the mints. So I kind of tried to play with most of the colors in here. I didn't really do much with the peaches, but I tried to play with like the mints and the pinks and all those fun colors. Like today is kind of a mismatch with this look. I did do 2 looks in this video, but yeah, they swatch really nice. Some of the pastels seem a little bit on the lighter side. Of course, it is a pastel, so I guess that is to be expected, but all the shadows have a really smooth, buttery, soft feel to them and are very blendable. And then I want to go ahead and swatch the lip glosses on my hand just so you can see the colors. I did use one in each look today. These are scented. They smell like candy. It's so good. The palette is scented too. I forgot to mention. It's light though. It's nothing overpowering. It kind of reminds me of almost Lunar Beauty's Strawberry Dreams palette, how that one's a little bit scented. So the glosses, these are extremely natural lip glosses. This one is pretty clear with a hint of sparkle called E-Bug. That's what it swatches like on me, and I actually have this one on the lips. It actually does look really beautiful, just like a Your Lips But Better type of shade. And then they have this one, which is almost like clear, see-through. You can get a little bit of pigment with it called Strawberry Sky. It doesn't really show a whole lot of color. Again, I feel like these 2 glosses are very similar. I don't think you need both. Maybe just one or the other because they swatch pretty similar. They look similar on the lips. One just has a little bit more sparkle. That's kind of my swatches and prices and all the overview of the products. Let me get into the 2 looks I did, including this one I'm wearing. For the first look, I took the shade E-Bug, which is the lavender. Sorry, some of my footage got cut here, so I was kind of showing you the end of me building that shade up. Next, we're going into the hot pink. This one is called Sugar Mama, and I'm putting this in the outer corner and blending out. This one was super pigmented compared to like the lavender one. Next, I took the shade Cloudy. This one is so stunning. I put this on the lid to add some shimmer, and then for the lower lash line, I did Mixed Berry and just kind of blended that in there. So gorgeous. And then for the gloss, I used the strawberry one. It's called Strawberry Sky all over to just give a clear kind of effect. And this is the finished look number 1. Moving on to look number 2, we're playing with the mint first. This one is Mint Chip. I did have to go in a few times to build up the pigment on this one. As you guys can see, it's pretty light, but I mean, it is a pastel. It is pretty once you get it built up. Next, going into Sky Blue, I put this one in the outer portion. Again, it was pretty light, so I actually had to switch brushes to a more flat brush to really pack on the color. But it is like a true sky blue type of shade, very gorgeous. Next, I took the pink strawberry. You can tell how much more pigmented this shade is. It was a little bit darker than what I wanted, but it's okay. We're going to go over it with shimmer. So I went over that with the macaroon shade, which is like this pink purple shift. It was stunning. So I just did that over the pink area. And then I took the mint, which is called Pistachio, over top of like the blue green area and mixed those together. We played with so many shades with this look, but it came out really pretty, honestly. And then I took the shimmery teal called Blue Raspberry on the half lower lash line. And then I also finished up with the pink strawberry shade again on the inner half of the lower lash line to blend all that together. We just have this fun rainbow pastel look. And of course, for the gloss, I did use E-Girl. I added some lashes too, by the way. This one just has a little bit of sparkle, but it's pretty clear. So I want to get into my thoughts here on the collection after trying it out. I feel like we got to use most of the shades here to kind of see what it was all about. Overall, super cute collection that they came up with. Love the packaging especially, and the color scheme I think is so pretty. The shades blended out beautifully. It wasn't chalky or dusty at all, like hardly any fallout, which was nice. The shimmers are very smooth on the lid. I wouldn't say they're super foiled shimmers like, let's say, Natasha Denona or Pat McGrath, but they're more subtle shimmers, but still there is some very unique shades in here. Like, I love the macaroon shade. It's like that pinky purple shift. Also, Pistachio is stunning as well, and Cloudy, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I wish they did pack just a little bit more punch because I'm like a super lover of metallic glitter type of shadows, but they're still stunning on the eyes. As far as the like pastels mattes go in this palette, I would say a couple of them were pretty light, like Sky Blue. I wish it was a little bit more pigmented. I did have to build that one up quite a bit to get the pigmentation. I switched brushes in my tutorial to a more flat brush with it instead of my blending brush, and I felt like that placed the product on a lot better. And then also the Mint Chip one was pretty light as well. I did have to build that up a few times, but I find that to be pretty normal with pastels. I just, for my sake, I wish they were just a little bit more pigmented, but I was able to build them up and get the look I wanted out of them. I feel like all the colors kind of mesh well together. You can mix and match the different color stories, or you could just stick to one, like Quad, and do those color stories as well. I also like that they included the white color in here too. You could definitely use that as a base as well if you wanted to make those mattes pop, but I did not use any base today. I just wanted to try them on their own. So yeah, that's kind of my thoughts. Just a couple things that would make it even better, but overall I think it's really fun, and I really like the looks that we did today. I thought that was really gorgeous. As far as the lip glosses go, they're not really my type. I like to have a little bit more color, and like I said, I feel like you can just do one or the other. I'm thinking I like this one the best, which is E-Girl. I think that one's really pretty, but it is a nice, just like natural, everyday type of lip gloss that you could use anytime. It will go with pretty much any look, but you can always do lip liner as well to make them pop. But yeah, that's kind of my thoughts here on the Laura Lee Los Angeles Candy Skies collection. Really cute. Happy I bought it. I do want to see kind of how it compares with some of the other palettes I purchased. So I don't know what all I'm going to be reviewing. I ordered the Michaela Glamlight palette, as well as the Temptalia and Sydney Grace palettes. I have the Anastasia Lilac palette. So I have quite a few, and maybe I can do some sort of like ranking new palettes video so I can kind of see where they all stand together. But yeah, I thought this was cute. Definitely my kind of colorful vibes. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful to you. Let me know if you guys are planning to purchase this one or if you're passing on it, and any thoughts you have down below. I will let you guys go. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.